welcome back to Our Family Pantry. Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple pomegranate salad, and our ingredients: you'll need 2 cups of pomegranate palms, and I just posted a video on how to open a pomegranate the easiest way that I know how, and so I'll leave that in the cards above and also in the description box down below. We'll also need 2 cups of chopped apples, and you'll want to chop these just before you do this, just so they don't turn brown. We're going to use a little bit of maple flavoring, a cup of chopped pecans, and a tub of frozen whipped topping that's been thawed. And so I'll bring you a little bit closer and we'll show you exactly how we put it together. All right, we're just going to start by just adding just a splash, maybe a half a teaspoon of maple flavoring. And this is just going to kind of level up our whipped topping and give it a nice little extra flavor. I like to make sure to mix in any flavorings I'm putting in with the whipped topping first, so then I can get it all incorporated in and then add in our other ingredients together. Now we're just gonna drop in our whipped topping. It already tastes really good with the maple flavoring in there. Just want to make sure we get everything out. Now you could use a sugar-free whipped topping if your dietary needs need that. And then it's just a matter of incorporating all of our ingredients. I'm gonna leave just a few pomegranates so we can use that as a topper. And then we'll put in our apples. Kind of any one that you prefer. And then here's our pecans or pecans, depending on where you're from. And then we'll just get this all mixed in. And this is a great light fruit salad or a dessert or a side salad. Just mix it up and get everything all incorporated. Now you could substitute the frozen whipped topping for whipped cream, whatever is easier for you or whatever you have in your pantry. Right. And then I'm just gonna take our remaining pomegranate palms right here. It's about a tablespoon, I'd say, and just kind of sprinkle it all in the middle. You could sprinkle it, in other spots if you wanted, and kind of distribute it more, or you can leave it in the middle, whatever you like. So there's our apple pomegranate salad, and it's really light and refreshing, and it's a perfect dessert or side fruit salad for your family gatherings and holidays here coming up. Well, thank you for watching Our Family Pantry, and we hope you are inspired by this recipe, and that you try it and that you share it with your friends and family. Thanks so much. Have a great day.